Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's topic is about reading books. Reading books is one of the best habits a person can have. Books give us knowledge, ideas, and new way of thinking. When we read a book, we can travel to different places in our imagination and learn about many people and cultures. Students become better in study when they read books regularly because it improves vocabulary and understanding. Books also help us to spend our free time in a useful way instead of wasting time on phones or games. There are many kinds of books like storybooks, science books, history books, and novels, so everyone can find something they enjoy. Reading makes our mind calm and helps us to focus better. A good book can become a true friend when we feel lonely or sad. Many successful people say that reading played a big role in their life. It teaches us to think deeply and to dream big. I believe books are like a light that shows the right path in life. If we read at least a few pages every day, we can slowly become wiser, more confident, and more creative. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.